can start. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Pyare Hazur. I hope you are doing.
Yes, you hope what?
I hope you are doing fine by the grace of Allah, and I want to thank His Holiness for giving us His precious time. Jazakallah.
Jazakallah. What is your question? Do you have any question?
Actually, I wanted to ask His Holiness whether I could tell you a brief, small summary of my way to Ahmadiyyat Islam, if you would like.
You want to narrate your story of summary of your story. How did you accept Ahmadiyyat?
Exactly.
Okay, do it.
Jazakallah. So, my name is Lydia, and I'm 20 years old, and I come from a Russian evangelical Christian family from Siberia, and I used to be believing person, but I felt something was missing in my life, and I didn't feel complete. So, Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I came into the Jamaat, and I fell in love in the Jamaat and the teachings, and it was a long way, full of exams, because my family was against, but I was able, Alhamdulillah, to take any risk. And
when did you accept Ahmadiyyat?
1 week ago, Alhamdulillah, on 25th of December.
When did you come to know about Ahmadiyyat or Islam?
It was nearly 3 years ago. Yeah.
Achha, for the last 3 years you had been studying about Ahmadiyyat and Islam.
Exactly. Yeah, I was studying, and I was taking a lot of time to gain.
Okay, then what next? Yes, you continue. You can continue now.
Yeah, so I had to decide between my religion or my family, but I decided for the Jamaat, and that was the best decision of my life. And
what do you do now? Do you go to university or college or where?
I'm a volunteer as a school escort.
Have you completed your studies, or you are still studying?
First, I want to complete my volunteer year, and then I want to study. And that was actually a question I would also ask His Holiness, because I can't decide what I want to study.
Okay. Now continue.
Yeah, and that was a brief summary, and yes.
So now you are satisfied, completely satisfied with after the acceptance of Ahmadiyyat?
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
So you think it is a true religion?
Yes, completely.
Okay, right. Allah Ta'ala bless you.
Jazakallah.
Assalamu alaikum. Sit down.
Jazakallah.
Next.